Fantastic! Hello, you absolute legends. Welcome back to the channel. John here on a beautiful afternoon here in Lincolnshire. We're back with the Royal Snail van. If you haven't seen the previous video on the channel, well, we replaced the glow plugs and took it for an MOT. We're going inside the Royal Snail van today to address an issue that, well, I've had for a couple of years. It's got an intermittent chitter from the heater blower motor, and I turned it on the other day and it was making an almighty noise. Dad has heard it, it's at low speed. He reckons that there's a dry bush. That's what he reckons. It could be something else, some sort of bearing issue or something stuck in the blower motor. In this video, we're going to remove the blower motor from the van. Hopefully we don't have to take the dash out and try and clean it all up, lubricate it all up and see if we can fix that chitter. Stay with it then, because more work on the Royal Snail.
I think we'll need this bugger.
Well, I'm trying to find a great big noise and I've found one. Here it is, it's you.
Tidied up from the previous job, Grommer.
Oh, we've been busy this morning. We are going to do some work on the Doblo van.
Yep, not a lot.
Not a lot, but we're going to take the fan out because it's making this noise. What do you reckon that noise is? Because actually that wasn't as noisy as it has been.
Hopefully it's just a dry bearing, mate.
In the heater blower.
Get all these little jobs tidied up so we can concentrate on what's in the workshop.
Yeah, well, we've got a pistons to film this afternoon as well.
You want to crack on then, because I'm freezing.
Yeah, I know. We've got
sat watching YouTube and having my lunch.
We've got the
I'm full of curry.
Curry? Edwina curry?
No.
We've got lots of work to do, including our latest project, which has sort of taken a little bit of a backseat this week, which is the Proton Impian. We've heard the noise. How are we going to fix it?
We're going to take the heater motor out.
Let's do that first.
Take the jolly old heater motor out.
Have a listen to this. I'm going to put the blower on so you can hear.
Don't need the blinking engine running.
Can you hear that? Can you hear it?
I can hear it.
Yeah, it's like a little chittery, whirry. It actually gets quite bad, especially when the engine is cold and the car is cold, or we're going round a corner and we're moving. It makes a noise sometimes. Yeah, like that. What can you see? What can you hear? It's done it for quite a while. I actually thought it was something inside the actual fan. I don't know how to describe it. Hole.
Poor old chap blooming grovelling around in here.
So what are you doing?
I'm taking bits off, son. There's one.
So you're scrabbling around under the dash looking for it?
Yeah, poor old fella under here. Bloody dad abuse this is. Dads shouldn't have to go under here like this. Ooh.
What on earth?
There it is.
What are you doing?
Now we're out for this job.
Oh, I can get under there. I'm not. Don't say it. I'm not as svelte as yourself.
Now we're out for this job.
So what's holding that motor in place then?
Nothing now.
You made that look easy.
There we go.
Well, hang on a minute. It's out.
No, it's from a scrapyard then.
What makes you say that?
Just got scrapyard markings, look.
Has it? Is that scrapyard markings, do you think, or is that the original markings from where it's been fitted? Well, I think that's the original. Oh, it's got loads of stuff falling out of it. Loads of rust and stuff.
Bet that's your noise then, son.
That's the problem.
Boo!
Rust.
I'm going to have a thicker hat this year, I think.
Oh, what?
I'm going to have to put a thicker hat on soon.
Hang on a minute, just show me that.
Oh, master.
Hold that up and show me it then.
Oh, you can't get at it, can you? It's a bit rusty, isn't it? What I suggest we do very carefully.
Take it apart.
No. I'm hoping that's a plug in the end and we can take that out and see the end bearing. Let's go into the inner sanctum.
So what is that? What does it do?
Well, this,
Yeah.
it blows wind.
So it doesn't generate any of the heat.
No, it's just a fan.
It's purely a fan that circulates it through, and the resistor obviously tells us how fast that blows.
It's a fan.
Let's have a quick look in there.
It's a blinking fan.
Do you think this is second-hand?
Eh?
Do you think it is second-hand?
Them look like scrapyard markings.
Do
to
they?
me.
They're all of it, look.
Yeah, they do that sort of thing.
What's all that? Oh, what's that in there?
Yeah, there's your noise.
Aha!
A leaf. More than likely is.
Leaf it out.
Leaf it out. But what I want to do, my old grommet load, is have a look in there. If that plug comes out, we can...
Do you know what? Do you reckon that leaf was the problem?
Well, they often make a noise. A leaf in a fan.
How's that got in there?
I think...
He's on holiday.
Oh, I can see that bearing, look.
Let's have a look. See if I can get my camera in there. Hold that still. Oh, aye. Yeah.
So I can see that bearing, which is good. We're not going to be able to see the top one, but we'll be able to do something. We'll be able to do something, Johnny boy.
So we're going to lubricate that up with some...
We're going to have to make a noise.
Oh. Noisy.
Let's give that a bit of a...
So we're going to give that a clean. We've got the
electrical stuff.
electrical contact cleaner.
I'll either fix it or not.
Well, it's not going to do any harm.
It's meant for this job, isn't it?
I think the fact that we've taken that leaf out might have helped.
It didn't sound like the leaf noise you get.
What's a leaf noise?
It sounds like...
What noise does a leaf make? No. That's not the noise I've heard. Nah, it's not that, is it?
No, it's not a leaf noise. Told you I want a blinking leaf noise.
But the leaf in there is not doing any good. I'm also going to get some tweezers, you know, because there's like some string or something in there.
Oh dear. Come out the road, mate.
Come out the road? Where's my tweezers? Hang on. I don't want to be blowing that further in, do we?
Tweezers are over yonder.
Oh,
see
yonder.
that drawer that's half open?
Aha! Yes. Electrical
Let's take
tweezers.
that
Here we
out.
go. Let's have a look. Ready?
Yeah. It's nothing exciting, I don't think, mate. It's a bit of
There's more in there.
alluvium. More of that.
It's not going to help, is it? You didn't even get it out.
Eh?
You didn't even finish getting it out.
See, that won't turn with the fan.
Yeah.
I wonder if we can make it so it turns.
See if let's let me get some more alluvium out there.
That's like a dog hair, that does.
You know, hey, you know.
That looks like a blinking dog
You know
hair.
who that's from?
That looks like a blinking dog hair.
The
son.
inspector is in there.
So we can't do the top bearing so easy from this end.
3 in 1 oil.
So we turn
Should that turn quite freely
the...
with no resistance?
We'll see when we're finished, shall we? Let's experiment. The inspector has left her oil there.
She has. She's left her mark in there, hasn't she?
The inspector. Inspector Clouseau.
Inspector of sausages. Does it feel any better?
Not yet. Can't get at that with me 3 in 1.
See this nut thing on the end here?
Yeah, it's pressed on, dude.
Oh, is it?
We're not going to try and take that off.
No.
That's we'll finish up having
a new blower motor.
So we're going to finish up in a flipping mess. I need a spout.
Shake it all a spout. You're watching Tinkering, also known as time-wasting waffle.
It's not thinking time wasting, is it?
Look at that.
It's better, isn't it?
That's done some good. Where did you put that then? Oh, muchos better.
It is, isn't it?
It is. Needs some more, I think. That's much better. Where is it you're spraying that? Let's have a look in there.
You know, wait until I finish squirt.
Inside there.
Well, this was, if you peek through there,
Yeah.
see the end of the shaft.
I can see.
Do you reckon that that'll be better, Gromit?
Well, it can't be any worse, can it?
Not wasting your time, eh?
I'm going to get that on a Christmas jumper for you.
Not wasting your time, mate.
Yeah. Job done. Are you just sticking as much lube in it as possible now?
Remember the first time I drilled a hole in the casing on one and just squirted until it stopped making a noise? If I can just drip a piece on that shaft, then when I put it in its working position.
Look at that.
Next!
So now to refit that, right?
A bit of
Time to do your acrobatics.
You got son?
Time to do some acrobatics.
Yeah. Come on, baby. Come on, get in there. Get in there. Up she goes.
I'm going to just try and take a look where that blower is. Oh, it's right up there.
Are you giving it a good looking at?
Yeah, I'm giving it a good looking at.
Come out the road then.
The production crew's in the road.
Ed China done to this problem.
Head China doesn't have a programme anymore, does he?
He's on the YouTubes, doesn't he? Well, you watch Ed China on the YouTubes.
I wouldn't watch Head China on the YouTubes.
Well, he's good.
I spend all my time editing our videos.
Oh, right.
I'm saddened you've resorted to a mirror and not endoscope.
Here we go. Ah! You know what I reckon, looking at these marks,
What's that?
sometimes the whole fan box has been changed
Oh, you reckon?
and they've put marks on it to see whether somebody took the fan out of the fan box that it come with, you know what I mean?
Yep.
So there's green marks on stuff that's still been left on the car.
Well, that's what I mean. So is it original from manufacture?
I shouldn't think so. It's the sort of thing they do at salvage parts places.
Ready to road test. Oh, hang, that seems better. Oh, it smells like WD-40 as well.
I'm just going to put that little plug in the bottom, but I think that's...
It might be a placebo, but it feels faster.
It is faster.
It is faster, right?
Next.
Fantastic.
Right, next job. Bonus, I keep telling you, it's bonus day today.
You want another quick job? You want another quick job?
Bonus day.
Shall we stick a sill on a Rover 75?
You ain't got the panel ordered. It's still quite noisy.
Is it?
But it's not as noisy as it was, it's not chittering.
Oh,
It's not 100%.
it is still chittering.
Eh?
There's a little chitter, isn't there?
Yeah. But it's not like it was.
No.
Not wasting the time there, boy. The motor's running freer.
It is.
So hopefully it won't burn the switch out anymore. Because that's what's been doing it, maybe.
Good.
It was annoying, that's not annoying.
Not annoying. No admittance to the toolbox.
No admittance unless you know what you're doing.
Hey, you know that missing piece for the Proton Impian? The missing oil cover?
Yeah? That's it.
Yeah. Job done.
Have you been drinking?
Not today.
Oh, good.
It's that WD-40 in the cabin.
You're acting like you are doing.
Good.
You can tell he's not right.
Well, thank you for that. Thanks for
Next.
taking 10 minutes out of your day to fix that.
Next.
What do you reckon? Is that eventually going to be a new...
No, it'll last forever.
It'll all last forever.
Did this come out of a wash tank? It
I don't
looks
know what
like
that
it.
is. That's something I got for you. Right, time-wasting waffle. Thanks for that.
It's not very exciting, is it?
No.
I don't think anybody's going to win any Oscars for that, are we? If anybody bothers to watch that,
For special consideration.
we can put that on a short, can't we? Eh? Fit in a... Yeah,
Well,
put it on a short.
we've got to make it 8 minutes to get paid.
Yeah, well, I think
So what are you going to do for the rest of the video?
Me?
Yeah.
Put my tools away.
Put your tools away. 8 minutes of tools putting away. Thanks for that.
I wanted to get that done. What's next?
I don't know. We've got to film with pistons, haven't
Right, let's film the pistons then. Come on, crack on. Time's money.
we? Time's money. Well, there you have it then, a really quick bonus video. Not very exciting. I would describe it as time-wasting waffle. As a mid-week video, hopefully you've enjoyed something to watch from the channel, and that will keep Mrs. John Cooten quiet, because every time we put the fan on, she moans about how noisy it is, and then we end up getting cold. So, fantastic. If you've enjoyed the video, thumbs up please. Thanks to Dad, 10 minutes of his day to fix a problem. It's all little tinkering bits like this. This is the stuff that goes on normally behind the scenes. Subscribe if you haven't already done so. We're close to 13,000, and like the video because it helps tell YouTube what's going on. Comment down below, has that solved the problem, or are we going to be back with Dad next week soaking it in some spirits or something? Till next time, thanks for watching. See ya. What time-wasting waffle. Absolute nonsense. The quest for content. As ever, thank you for watching this video. Dad and I have selected a couple more videos for you that we think that you might like. They're here now. Just give them a click to watch them. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. It means a lot to us. Thank you.